Hi artists! Today we're going to build an origami fortune teller. We're using a regular size piece of copy paper. It's 8.5 by 11, and we're going to turn this rectangle into a square. So I'm going to take this corner, line it up with the top edge, just like this. I'm going to start at this corner and slide back to the center, slide to the left, slide to the right, and then I will take my pencil and draw a line right down that edge. I open it and I'll take my scissors and cut right down that line. Boom, there's a square. So if you were starting off with a square, you just take this corner of your paper and fold it to this one. Run your finger straight back, run to the left, flat to the right. There we go. Now I'm going to open this and I'm going to back this up a little so we can see. Take this corner, touching the corner across from it, sliding right down. I slide to the right and I slide to the left. And then I open it. And I'm going to put a dot right in the center. See my dot? I'll take this point and touch the dot, but I won't run over the dot. We can still see the dot, so I'm good. Now I'm going to turn my paper, touch the dot. I won't run over the dot. There's my dot. I turn my paper, touch my dot, don't run over the dot. One more, touch my dot, don't run over the dot. How many triangles do you see there? I'm going to flip this paper. Now I see squares. I'm going to put a dot right in the center. Oh, origami. You always repeat yourself. And I'm going to take this corner, touch the dot, don't run over the dot, turn it, touch the dot, run over the dot, turn it, touch the dot, don't run over the dot, turn it, touch the dot, don't run over the dot. Now I'm going to fold the whole thing in half. You know you can pause at any time, right? After I fold it in half, I put my thumb inside this pocket right here. And I put my finger inside this other pocket. And then I push down on the center and pop it up. And then on the other side, my thumb goes in this pocket, my finger goes in the other pocket, and pull them out. There we go. Open, shut, just like that. Now we're going to talk about how to finish your fortune teller. And I'm going to start by coloring this square. The whole square is going to be blue. Now you sure don't have to color it the way I'm coloring it. You can color things any way you want. There we go. There's a blue square. Now I think I will color a red square across over here. think I'll add a yellow square. Then I think I'll add a green square, greenish square. Oh, that's my blue again. Here's a green. Kind of like the way that blue looks, so I'm going to go with that and just add some bluish stripes here. There we go. Now I turn it back over and it's time to add some numbers. So I'm just going to put a 2 here and a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8, and a 9. Then I open this flap, come up a little, and I'm going to put a note inside. Now we're working in a kind and happy place here, so we're going to only put notes that make people feel good. So right here I'm going to write, "You are my friend." Then I shut that, turn it, and I'm going to write, "You like ice cream." Then I'm going to turn it and I'll write, "I like your smile." And I turn it and I'll write, there we go. Then I fold it in half again. Put my thumb inside the pocket, my finger inside the pocket, push down. Thumb and finger in the pocket. Then I do open, shut, open, shut. And I say to my friend, "Pick a color." And my friend says, "Blue." So I go, "B-L-U-E." And then I say, "Pick a number." And my friend says, 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I say, "Pick another number." And my friend says 3. Let's see what the fortune is. You are my friend. That's a fortune teller, friends.